Good morning, students. So, today we will continue with the exercise portion, that is, read and find out of chapter 2, the thief story. So, the questions are very simple. You can all do by your own also, but I am discussing it and you have to do by your own. So, the first question is, what who is the I in this poem? So, in this story, I refers to the thief named Harry, which is the fake name, who is only 15 years old. Now, second question is, what is he a fairly successful hand as? So he here means the thief. So fairly successful hand means that he is very good at stealing and robbing people. So he was fairly successful hand means that he was very good at stealing and robbing people. Now the third question is, what does he get from Anil in return for his work? So for his work means Hari asked Anil that if he could work for him, and Anil said that he could not pay. So he said that he will do the household work for him, and he just give him shelter to live in and would feed him. So Anil agreed on this, that if he would cook the food, he will stay. But when he found that Hari could not even cook a good food, delicious food, then he decided to teach him how to cook food and how to read and write also. So in return of his work, he get from Anil the teaching of how to cook good food and how to write his name and how to read the things, and he also promised to teach him to write the whole sentence and all these things. Okay, so this is all about read and find out part first. Now let us move to read and find out, which is there on the second sixth page of the chapter. How does the question one is, how does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? So the thief thought that when Anil discovered the theft, his face would show a touch of sadness, not because he has lost his money, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust which he has made on Hari, the thief. So this is the answer. Next is, what does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? So he said that in his short career as a thief, he had studied men's faces. So they have their different reactions. So when they lost their good or money, they have their different reaction. And if the greedy man lost his money or wealth, he showed fear. Rich man showed anger, and poor man showed acceptance. Next question is, does Anil realize that he has been robbed? So the answer to this question is that yes, he might have realized that he had been robbed, because the notes, the rupees, were wet and damp from the rain, and he, because of that realization, he has said, he has informed that day that uh, that he is going to give him a salary from now onwards. He did not reacted anything, he did not reacted on that thief because he did not want to make Harry ashamed of his activity what he had done, so he behaved normally. Now let us move to the next portion, that is think about it. Now in think about it, mostly the answers are to be written by your own knowledge of the chapter, whatever you have understood, but still I am discussing it so that you can get the hint and write your answers. So first question is, what are Harry Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? So the hints are provided to you, what you have to use it, and then the question asks that what makes him return to Anil. So you will write your own answer. I am just giving you the hint that Harry's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education change over time. When he started living with Anil, he wanted to be literate so that he would become a more honorable person, and he would become more cunning and more clever. Later on, there is a change in his heart because of the effort of Anil. He want to earn respect in life. He is influenced, maybe he is influenced by the calm and simple nature of Anil and the life which he is living. Although both of them are dependent on the irregular source of income, they are not getting the money on the regular basis, either Anil or Hari, but Anil is getting it by writing something and is getting a respectable money, whereas Hari has to do irrespectable job. For that he sometimes have to be go to the police station also. So these are the things which make him change his heart. He also realized that education is the only way of changing his life and live a respectable life and to become a part of a civilized society. So next question, that is, why does not Anil hand the thief over to police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what way is Anil different from such employers? So employer is the person who employs someone, who gives someone salary and all that. So Anil does not hand over the thief, that is Hari, over to the police because he has realized his mistake and he has put money back on the place. It shows that he has a feeling of regret. He wanted to improve himself, he want to make amendment in his way of living. So he felt guilty and Anil wants to give him one more chance, therefore he forgives him. And mostly in today's world, people would not have done so, although it must be done. If the person realized his mistake, he would have been given another chance, but these kind of people are not more in this world. The people are very less, and so that is the reason people are those who want to improve themselves, they are not able, just because of these kind of people who have no trust and belief on others. So this is think about it. Now next think about it is about your own thinking. Do you think people like Anil and Harry are found only in fiction, or are there such people in this real world? So this is all about your, what do you think, that people are there are in fiction only, they do not exist in reality. So if they exist in reality, you have to write that. If they are fictitious, then how could you say that? Second one is that, do you think it is significant, do you think it a significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer? Does this explains his behavior in any way? So here uh, you can say that uh, Hari Singh's observation about the um, nature and behavior of Anil when he was there in the wrestling match, that has also shown his behavior in a way. And after that, he is a struggling writer. That is proved when Hari Singh observes that Anil is not getting the money on a regular basis. Whenever he write a book and he get a publisher, then only he is able to get the uh, money. But yet he lives his life according to the money whatever he has. He is not going to do any wrong work or any other work in which he has to stake his respect and all that. So he gets whenever he gets the money, he used to enjoy. When he has less money, then he try to borrow it, take it from someone, and whenever he gets money he returns. Instead of doing theft or robbery, he has this kind of life living. So I think that it is a significant detail that shows that Anil is a struggling writer. Now, next two questions you will do by your own. That is question number 3 and 4. That is your homework. Have you met anyone like Harry? And could you think and imagine the circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old boy into a thief? So, what are the reasons? He is a thief by his own choice, or because of the situation and circumstances he has become a thief? So, you have to write that. Next, fourth question is, where is the story set? So, the names, the characters which are given here, that is Hari and Anil, it shows that it is on Indian setup. Then the language which is used and is spoken in these places, they are also Indian setup. The backgrounds which are taken and the things which are taken all resembles to the Indian setup. So this is all about the talking about the text, and now this chapter is complete. You write glossary, read and find out, and think about the text in your copy. This is all about the chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and goodbye.